Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Are you ready to take control of your career and start earning on your own terms? Freelancing is one of the best ways to achieve that. And today, we're covering 7 high-demand freelance skills you can learn in 2025. These skills are in demand across industries and perfect for anyone looking to make money online. Let's get started. First on the list is copywriting. Businesses need compelling content to attract and convert customers, whether it's through ads, emails, or websites. If you have a way with words and can write persuasively, this is a fantastic skill to monetize. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are great for landing clients, and the demand is evergreen. Next up is graphic design. From logos and branding to social media content, businesses are always looking for skilled designers. Even if you're a beginner, tools like Canva make it easy to get started, and as you improve, you can transition to more advanced software like Adobe Illustrator or Photoshop. Number 3 is web development. With more businesses moving online, the need for websites is exploding. Learning platforms like WordPress or coding languages such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript can open doors to high-paying freelance projects. Even basic website building skills are enough to start small and grow. Fourth, we have video editing. Video content is king in 2025, with YouTube, TikTok, and online courses in constant demand. Mastering tools like Adobe Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve will make you a sought-after freelancer, whether it's for creators or businesses needing professional video content. Next is SEO, search engine optimization. Companies need their websites to rank higher on Google, and SEO experts help make that happen. By learning keyword research, on-page optimization, and backlink strategies, you can offer valuable services that businesses will pay well for. Sixth is social media management. With platforms like Instagram and TikTok dominating the marketing world, brands are always looking for someone to create engaging content, grow their audience, and analyze performance metrics. If you're social media savvy, this is a flexible and lucrative skill. Finally, we have virtual assistants. This is perfect for beginners who are organized and tech-savvy. Tasks like managing emails, scheduling, data entry, or customer support are always in demand. It's a simple skill to start with and can lead to long-term client relationships. And there you have it, 7 high-demand freelance skills you can learn in 2025 to start your freelancing journey. Which skill are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell for more freelancing tips. See you in the next video.